आप लोग ना ये चूना अपने घर में लगा लो, नीचे में गर्म हो सकता है। हाँ, ये तो नीचे तक नहीं दिया है आवन का।
Ka kudam bu marbam kumukau moida keu nalor kiwe kabadan harut surok ba ha Garikhana kala ing khong khai na kajing shabam du ha kading ha kashiteng senya jong ka artarik na upra arjara tholai katkum kajing itu Sanjeev Kumar Bajoria ubade utrai jong ka kudam kabate pung ka Magik Cook boloyo jing tep halor ka jingjia ha ka por ka ar shiteng hari hadu manta umpadi jing tep de ka daw jong ka jingpluh jong ka kudam ulai thu badan bok ba ka jingjia om shamladon kino ki ba mensau kum ban kan mau hang ni badang ha urisau arjara pholai kawe kadukan akan dailat kala ingkong kabala shie me kajing im jung we ubru ubatrek te kadukan
I got the information at 12:30 midnight, and I was in Guwahati arrest. I reached here at 2 o'clock, and when I came here, some people there saying one. I don't know exactly what has happened, but when I had come, all the godowns were burned down. A lot of fire brigades were there. The district administration were present. They tried to douse the fire, but as it is an old construction, and I don't know, I can't assess what is the loss and all, because they have not allowed me to enter inside. We are having wheat, maida, atta, suji, wheat bran. अब अंदर में जाने से मालूम होगा ना, अंदर को जाने नहीं सकता. I have not gone inside. When I am allowed to go inside, then I can see what is the damage. Because some people they are saying something is good, some people they are saying is damaged, and they are not allowing me to go inside because yesterday night I wanted to go. Today also they said no, let the fire be doused off first. No injuries. By grace of God, there is no injury. Everybody is safe.
इसको लग रहा था मैं कोने मतलब कुछ बोला ना कोने why नहीं Boy lên nhau.
ये सामने तुम्हारा संग आहे सामने तो माणूस जाबो नाही सगळे आदमी जाना पड़ेगा ना हां आप लोग ना ये चूल्हा को इधर ही लगा लो नीचे में गरम हो सकता है हाँ ये तो नीचे तक नहीं दिया है आगन तक